美国南加州的山火仍在肆虐，国家气象局警告称，圣安娜风在周末已有所缓和，但周二可能会有更强的阵风，风速高达每小时70英里，加重了灾民对身家财产的担忧。
We stand to lose everything if the winds blow the fire back into Topanga and it burns the whole of Fernwood and Topanga down. So we're just praying and hoping that doesn't happen, but we're very scared.
由于救灾进展缓慢，美国国防部已派遣国民警卫队援助。
Over 1,800 California National Guardsmen have been activated to assist with the firefighting efforts, including hand crews, rotary wing aircraft, and military police that are working in support of local law enforcement. Additionally, 8 C-130s equipped with the Modular Airborne Firefighting System, or MAFS, are currently on station at Channel Islands Air National Guard Station to support aerial firefighting efforts.